They say food wey sweet na money kill am, that na lie. Even if they give you 50k for a small pot of soup, my sister, if you no sabi cook, you go still cook concussion. Big Brother season 6 without a chef like white money. Hunger for finish house mess, so investor don't get ulcer. Wahala. As you dey invest, try to invest in your belly. Ulcer is real. Are you in Abuja? Are you famished and tired to visit a walk-in restaurant? Are you a lover of delicious homemade food? Are you a baller when it comes to food matters? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mamas and papas, I present to you the Yellow Plates. I call them the best online restaurants in Nigeria. Shop love for tasty and well-made meals. They are 24 hours ready to deliver within Abuja, Nigeria. Just place an order and relax. Have you tested Ogidi seafood rice? Assorted Asun jollof rice? How exactly do you want your rice? Share a well-grilled chicken? I been a noodles wey go make you forget your date of birth, cause you don't go know when you go lick plates. Contact the Yellow Plates and see if your intestines don't go sing new joyful song for you. My sister, if you dey Abuja and your guy never ordered the Yellow Plates meal for you,